Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by clarifying your goal and audience. This directs AI prompts. Once clear, assemble assets, logo, hero image, 3 headline options, 5 benefits, so AI has concrete inputs. Next, pick the AI approach, a template landing page generator for speed or an LLM plus design tool for control. Explain constraints in the prompt, tone, CTA, and conversion metric. Use short example prompts, they speed iteration. Make sure to version assets before you run the first generation, so you can compare results effectively. Once you have initial drafts, ask the AI for multiple headline and layout variants. Request 3 distinct tones, urgent, helpful, and curious to test conversion. Then refine. Give feedback on spacing, button text, and trust signals like testimonials and stats. Make sure images are cropped to a 16:9 hero and optimized for mobile first. Use AI to generate microcopy for forms and error states. Finally, lock down responsive rules and export assets so designers or builders can implement pixel-accurate layouts. You publish the page with tracking enabled, conversion pixel, analytics, and heat maps so you can measure impact. Once live, run a /B tests on headline, CTA, and image for at least 2 weeks or until statistically significant. If performance lags, check 3 common issues: slow load times, unclear CTA, or mobile layout problems. Fix in that order. For example, compress images and simplify scripts to hit under 3 seconds. If the AI copy feels off, reprompt with specific examples and rerun the variant test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.